Oh. One of my musical dreams. Is it?
There's a yellow rose in Texas that I am going to see. Nobody else could miss her, not half as much as me. She cried so when I left her, it like to broke my heart. And if I ever find her, we never more will part.
She's the sweetest little rosebud that Texas Avenue. Her eyes are bright as diamonds that sparkle like the dew. You may tell her about your Clementine and sing of Rosalie, but the yellow rose of Texas is the only girl for me.
Where the Rio Grande is flowing and starry skies are bright, she walks along the river in the quiet summer night. I know that she remembers when we parted long ago. I promised to return and not to leave her so.
She's the sweetest little rosebud that Texas